Go.
Hello, I'm Sebastian. I'm from Ecuador and I'm a tourist here in Taiwan. Now I'm in Tainan, a really beautiful place with awesome food, so good. It's really relaxed here, I love it. This accommodation is awesome as well. And something that I'm really impressed of Taiwan is the culture, the nature, the Aboriginal people, also the Taiwanese people that are really kind and polite. It's something like the people don't know about it. It's not so famous, not so popular around the world.
Yeah.
And yeah, you have to come to discover, to have adventure. There's so many places to go, so much beautiful things here. Yes, I really enjoy it. It's so good here. I will stay 2 weeks, and there's so many things: beaches, mountains, food, everything.
Thank you.